Engineering education has a well-known problem. By the time students graduate, the industry has already moved on. RIT Chennai is built around closing that gap. It starts with how the curriculum is structured. Industrial courses aren't add-ons, they are credited subjects woven directly into the program.
The college curriculum also plays a major role in getting placed where they are well-structured and industry-oriented, where they provide us strong theoretical fundamentals along with the practical implementations through labs, mini projects and workshops.
Beyond coursework, the curriculum also encourages students to collaborate across disciplines and build real-world projects.
College will allow us to do projects from various domains like integrating different branches like ECE, data science students, so they can work together and create new projects.
Supporting all of this is a network of centers of excellence across areas like AI, Apple Technologies, data science, cybersecurity, AR/VR, and quantum. Purpose-built spaces where students work on advanced technologies.
The Center for Artificial Intelligence has been established in the year 2016, and the center has a basic objectives such as providing the basic artificial intelligence knowledge to the beginners, and then to conduct the training programs, workshops, seminars, etc. in order to advance the faculties and students about the recent developments in artificial intelligence. And also we aim to work on projects based on industrial needs.
I joined in the Brewer Center of Technology in our college. Recently only this center has been published, and it is fully about quantum computing. There we learn about quantum algorithms, quantum gates, quantum circuits, and we get hands-on experience. We have computers through which we can get knowledge about quantum, and we can work on it. And we have a quantum computer in our lab, which helps us to provide a hands-on experience so that we get to learn about how quantum really works.
These centers aren't just facilities, they connect students directly to industry problems.
I am being part of the Center of Excellence at Center of AI. We have an incubation at Virtusa as well as Renaldison. Companies provide us real-time projects where we work on that, and we will provide the outputs for companies. Based on the outputs and the approaches we give, the companies will provide us internships.
That industry connection extends to hackathons too, where the mentorship is just as real as the competition. For students, these competitions become an opportunity to solve real problems within limited time frames, often pushing them to build complete working prototypes.
We registered for the hackathon a week before hackathon was supposed to be held. Our problem statement was to build a reliable payment gateway for subscription applications. We were assigned a time of 4 hours to create an MVP for the product, and within the allotted time we managed to build all required features, build the required product. By doing this, managed to secure first place in the hackathon.
It was quite challenging. A lot of key factors has to be taken into account because it was our first hackathon, which was national level or an IIT level competition that we took part. The guidance provided by our mentors and their experiences and their knowledge guided us through this path, and it was really helpful to overcome the fear that we had, and it was more informative.
The college has MOUs with around 100 companies, and these aren't just on paper. Each partner is actively integrated with the institution, ensuring students get direct access to internship opportunities within these organizations.
RIT, apart from industries like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Tech Mahindra, we are connected with IIT Bombay Internship. Proudly say, first year students of RIT, they secured a 35,000 stipend internship from IIT Bombay.
And these opportunities translate directly into real internships, with students gaining hands-on experience at top companies and research institutions.
I have done 2 internships at Amazon as a business intelligence engineer. So I have a probability of getting placed there also. Throughout my internship, my college has taught me the fundamentals that I needed to apply there, which helped me a lot to perform better. My intern at IITM Research Park, the company name is ISMO Biophotonics. So there I worked in an ML domain. The task is mainly image-based classification.
The exposure goes international too. Students have taken their work to Dubai, Malaysia and Singapore, with Australia and Germany in the pipeline. Hands-on learning is supported by a wide range of specialized laboratories designed for different engineering disciplines.
We can have computer labs, 180 and 120 labs, and as well as we have Mac, that is Apple lab. For the mechanical students, we have the mechanical labs. For the VLSI and electrical students, we have a specific lab for working on it.
We have various labs like AI, DS. We also have virtual reality, augmented reality labs.
And when placements arrive, the ecosystem speaks for itself.
They have been placed at Exaware and Accenture through our college campus placements. Memo companies are there like Virtusa, Wipro, TCS, Accenture, Exaware, and Memo companies are there. They are top tier companies.
A curriculum that moves with industry. Technology that students build, not just study. And an ecosystem designed so that by the time students graduate, they are already ahead. For more on RIT Chennai, comment RIT followed by your query.